Hi guys, I'm Cheri with cookswellwithothers.com, back with another week's worth of new recipe ideas for you. This week's a little bit different because I'm not sharing actual meals. It is the weird week in between Christmas and New Year. And I feel like that is the most bizarre week of the year because most people are off work. You know that you're going to start healthy eating next week after New Year, so you might as well just kind of go a little bit crazy with your diet this week, right? So this is a snacky snack weekly meal plan. I have all absolute junk food. We're just going to go for it, and then I'll share a healthy meal plan with you next week. So here we go with this week's Snacky Snack weekly meal plan, and you can find all of these recipes at my food blog, which is cookswellwithothers.com. And if you notice my theme shirt, I also drink well with others. So our first snacky snack meal is an air fryer jalapeno popper. Many of you might have gotten an air fryer for Christmas. So I'm going to go ahead and link a bunch of air fryer recipes in this post for you as well. All of the rest of them are deep fried. We have some deep fried crab rangoons for our next snacky snack meal. I also have some Italian egg rolls. It's basically everything that you would get in an Italian hoagie, just wrapped in an egg roll wrapper and dipped in pizza sauce. And then the next snacky snack meal is a honey bourbon buttermilk fried chicken thigh. And those are excellent served with some biscuits. You can kind of eat them as a sandwich or however you like. I hope that you guys enjoy this week's snacky snack meal plan. I will be back next week to share some healthy recipes for you. Have a great week.